Black Sheep, do you have some wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the teacher, 1 for the friend, and 1 for the little child at the road's end. Baa Baa Black Sheep, soft and warm and sweet, thank you for the wool that keeps us neat. Baa Baa Black Sheep, standing in the sun, sharing all your wool is so much fun. 1 bag for winter, 1 bag for play, 1 for the children to wear each day. Baa Baa Black Sheep, happy as can be, thank you for sharing with me. Baa Baa Black Sheep, gentle and kind, you make the children smile every time. Soft little wool, so fluffy and light, keeps us warm both day and night. Baa Baa Black Sheep, we love you so, thank you for the wool you kindly bestow.